Namaste students, today I am going to teach you subject General Science. In General Science we will study here chapter 5 inside the atom. Let us study about Bohr's stable orbit atomic model 1913. In the year 1913, Danish scientist Niels Bohr explained the stability of atom by putting forth a stable orbit atomic model. The important postulates of Bohr's atomic models are as follows. See this first picture of Niels Bohr, photograph of Niels Bohr with this atomic model. Here at the center of this atom, positively charged nucleus, and these are orbits where electrons are revolving around the nucleus. या ठिकाणी धन प्रभारित केंद्रक आहे आणि ते केंद्रकाभोवती एका विशिष्ट कक्षेतून इलेक्ट्रॉन फिरत असतात. ही पहिली जी कक्षा आहे, फर्स्ट सेल दॅट इज नेम्ड एज के सेल, सेकंड एल सेल, एम सेल अँड एन सेल इन दिस पिक्चर. First postulate here, the electron revolving around the atomic nucleus lie in the concentric circular orbit at a certain distance from the nucleus. Second postulate, energy of an electron is constant while it is in a particular orbit. म्हणजे प्रत्येक ऑर्बिटमध्ये असलेल्या इलेक्ट्रॉनची जी ऊर्जा आहे ती स्थिर असते. When an electron jumps from an inner orbit to an outer orbit, it absorbs energy equal to the difference of its energy level, and when it jumps from an outer orbit to an inner orbit, it emits energy equal to the difference of its energy level. जेव्हा ते आतल्या कक्षेत इलेक्ट्रॉन आतल्या कक्षेतून बाहेरच्या कक्षेत जात असतात तेव्हा ते ऊर्जा ॲब्सॉर्ब करत असतात किंवा शोषत असतात, आणि जेव्हा बाहेरच्या कक्षेतून आतल्या कक्षेत जातात तेव्हा ते ऊर्जा बाहेर फेकत असतात. ॲटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. An atom is formed from the nucleus and the extranuclear part. These contains three types of subatomic particles. We will study these particles in next part. Nucleus. The atomic nucleus is positively charged, and almost entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. The nucleus contains two types of subatomic particles together called the nucleons. Proton and neutrons are the two types of nucleons. प्रोटॉन आणि न्यूट्रॉन हे केंद्रस्थानी ॲटमचे असतात. Proton is denoted by P. Proton is positively charged subatomic particle in the atomic nucleus. The positive charge on the nucleus is due to the proton in it. The proton is represented by the symbol P. Each proton carries a positive charge of positive E. One positive E is equal to 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, when total positive charge on the nucleus is expressed in the unit E. Its magnitude is equal to the number of proton in the nucleus. The number of proton in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number of that element and is denoted by the Z. Mass of one proton is approximately 1 U, 1 Dalton. 1 U is equal to 1.66 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 27 kg. The mass of one hydrogen atom is also approximately 1 U. जे एका हायड्रोजन अणूचं जे वस्तुमान आहे ते जवळपास एका प्रोटॉन एवढं असतं. न्यूट्रॉन denoted by N. Neutron is an electrically neutral subatomic particle. because neutron haven't any charge and is denoted by the symbol N. The number of neutron in the nucleus is denoted by the symbol capital N. Atomic nuclei of all the elements except hydrogen with atomic mass 1U contain neutron. The mass of neutron is approximately 1U, which is almost equal to that of proton. म्हणजेच एका प्रोटॉन आणि एका न्यूट्रॉनचं हे वस्तुमान आहे जवळपास समान असतं. Electron denoted by E. Electron is a negatively charged subatomic particle and is denoted by the symbol E. Each electron carries 1 unit of negative charge, minus 1e. Mass of an electron is 1800 times less than that of hydrogen atom. Therefore, the mass of an electron can be treated as a negligible. इलेक्ट्रॉन म्हणजेच त्या इलेक्ट्रॉनचं जे वस्तुमान आहे ते अत्यंत नगण्य असते. इलेक्ट्रॉन in the extranuclear part revolve in the discrete orbit around the nucleus. एका विशिष्ट कक्षेतून फिरत असतात. The orbit being three-dimensional in the nature, a term cell is used instead of the term orbit. The energy of an electron is determined by the cell in which it is present. The number of electron in extranuclear part is equal to the number of proton in the nucleus, Z. Therefore electrical charge are balanced and the atom is electrically neutral.